Hey there, happy Black Friday. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Let's talk about how to use Black Friday to supersize and grow your business. You might be saying, okay, it's a little late to talk about how to use Black Friday since today is Black Friday, but since it's Black Friday, I was curious to find out if Black Friday is actually an idiom. And lo and behold, Google told me and taught me, and a few other resources, that Black Friday is indeed an idiom. Black Friday comes from, and it means any day of financial chaos or financial disaster. September 24th, 1869 was the first time this happened. Some stock market people wanted to take over the stock market, and they decided they were going to corner the gold market. And when they did that, they caused the entire stock market to crash. And that was the first time that Black Friday was used to describe a financial disaster. And over time, it came to become known as the day after Thanksgiving. It started to be called Black Friday, not because it was chaotic financial disaster, but because it was chaotic, and it was used to signal the beginning of the Christmas season shopping period for merchants and business owners, and to trigger an opportunity for them to make great offers and people to get good deals on things, to bring them into their business and to kind of supercharge and kick off the whole holiday shopping season. And how can you use this? So that's where it came from. And so Black Friday, there have been a lot of other black days as well. Black meaning your business is in the black when it's doing well. There's been black almost every day of the week because the markets have crashed on certain days. There have been big financial chaotic disasters over history, right? I don't know them all. I'm sure that I've lived through several, lived through lots of them. So how do you use this? What are some ways that you can use the whole Black Friday concept to supersize and grow your business? And guess what? You can do these things other times. You don't have to just do them on Black Friday, which is why the topic's still pertinent. So what are some things you can do? Number one, create an irresistible offer for your customers, for the people that you target and that you serve and whose lives you can transform and problems you can solve. Create an offer to them that is absolutely positively irresistible. You can offer discounts on your products and services. This is actually my least favorite way to offer specials or products or services to people, because I think that it erodes at the value of the products and services that we offer to people, and it gives a false sense of security. So in the short term, we can bring in some dollars, but in the long term, we're eroding the value of our products and services. And I don't think that that's the best way to go about it, but you can always do it. You'll see it today, especially. You'll see thousands and thousands of examples of people discounting their products and services. The reason I don't like it is I know that if I were to discount my prices I'm sort of devaluing what I offered to all the people that I've served before in that product and service. So these other ways that I'm going to talk about briefly are probably better because they don't hurt the feelings of your ideal customers and the customers that you've served in the past, your lifelong customers. You never want them to feel devalued by discounting your products and services. So if you're going to discount, always make sure that it's something slightly different than what you offered your people before. You can bundle your products or services. You can put things together. One of the best ways to create an irresistible offer is to bundle different products and services together into a package. People love to buy packages because it solves more than one problem for them simultaneously. You can create value adds. I like this better than discounting. Add certain things to the products or the services that you already offer. Say you offer a cleaning product, and you could offer to, as an add-on or a bundle, you could offer to actually do something for people. You could offer to use the cleaning product for them, or teach their people how to use a cleaning product, or demonstrate how to use the cleaning product for them. You can do this electronically. You could offer free videos training that, so that you can multiply yourself and only have to do it once, but you can affect lots and lots of people, which adds value to them because they find better, faster, easier ways of using your product and service, which helps them consume it so they come back and they buy more. You can do early bird giveaways, early bird specials. You can have drawings and contests. You can have, and I think this one's been used to the max in the retail industry. I remember last year going with my sister to get a Keurig coffee maker on Thanksgiving night, Thanksgiving evening. Usually we go to a movie on Thanksgiving night, but we went to the store because there weren't enough of us to go to a movie and there was nothing good that had been released. So we decided we would hit up one of the stores because I wanted a Keurig coffee maker. Otherwise, I usually don't participate in the consumer end of Black Friday. Once in a while when the kids were little and I wanted something special for them and I knew the toys were going to be sold out, I would go. But for the most part, I think I can only remember going like maybe 2 or 3 times ever in my 60 years of life to a Black Friday early bird opening store thing. You can segment your offer. You can create segmented offers for different segments of the people that you serve, for different segments of the marketplace. You can create specialized, customized offers just for them. So those are just some ideas and some ways that you could participate in Black Friday. Why would you want to? Why do people ever want to have specials or create offers? Because we want to bring an influx of business into our business. We want to bring an influx of customers or cash or whatever into our business so that we can serve more people. So I think it's pretty self-evident why we want to have specials and promotions and sales is to get attention and so that people know that we exist and so that we can serve more people and get the word out. Love to know what you do and how you participate in Black Friday. Share in the comments below. Do you have a Black Friday special or offer? Share that in the comments below today too. I don't care. Share a link. Share a link. Do whatever you want today. Today is Black Friday. I do not have a Black Friday offer. Sorry. If you want a Black Friday offer, direct message me and I'll create a custom one just for you. But otherwise, I don't currently have a Black Friday offer going this year. I don't even have a Cyber Monday or a Super Saturday or whatever Sunday is or something Tuesday and Wednesday. Pretty much they've taken Black Friday and they've stretched it into an entire week. But then again, if you're wise, everybody else is doing Black Friday specials, right? And you can easily get lost in the noise. Why don't you create your own day of the year that would be beneficial to your business and name it whatever you want to name it that's appropriate for your business and create your own holiday? Idea. All right, have an awesome Black Friday. I'll be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it in your business right now? Take care. Be careful out there. Bye.